How you doing today? I'm back with you with another discussion of real estate from the perspective of a broker and owner of my own company. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for tuning in here. You hear a lot of people say on the street, real estate is so expensive now. Who can afford it? And yet a lot of people are buying and finding ways to buy. But it is a little tougher right now to afford it. But let's take the perspective of investors. I find that investors are out there shopping for deals and shopping to buy real estate for rentals and what have you. And why would they do that? Why would they buy, at the top of the market? If we're at the top of the market, we probably aren't yet. But why would they do that? And so, a true real estate investor is going to be adding to their portfolio all the time, regardless of the kind of market we're in usually. They want another rental, they go find a rental, they know the prices might dip on them in the future, but they're going to buy for the long term. And so that is a consideration. If someone says you can't make money in this marketplace, that's not exactly true. Flippers are still flipping, rental buyers are still purchasing, and people are still buying real estate. So maybe the average or nominal person can't make money in this marketplace, but if you're willing to think outside the box, that'd be kind of like saying you cannot make wealth in America anymore. That is not true. Wealth is buildable any day of the week. All you need is a good plan for wealth, and then execute daily the plan. And so, people are getting wealthy in America even right now. Some people say, well, we don't have the American dream anymore to get wealthy. Well, all wealth is having a good idea, taking big action on it, and accumulating discretionary money, and then backup money, compounding money. And that's really all building wealth is. So anyone that sets out to do it right now, if they think outside the box, they can build wealth right now. Now back to real estate. So the average homeowner, not an investor, their home is their biggest investment usually that they own. There's more value in their home than anything else they own, even probably their 401ks. And so, it's a delicate situation to hire someone to sell your house. And you need an experienced person, a careful person, and a knowledgeable person to help you liquidate your house. So there's nothing more fun when you're in an escrow and you've sold your house than the day that comes up, check day, the day you're going to get the money, the day you're going to get the check. It usually comes to people now by bank wire. Some people still take the check, but that's a lot of money you're getting cashed out of your house. Sometimes if you're buying another house, your escrow officer will transfer the money from one house escrow to the next house escrow, and you never see your money. And so, but it just stays in your equity. However, the whole deal of check day is preceded by another day, and that's escrow signing day. Now that's the day that you go in there and you sign in front of an escrow officer and notary, and you sign away your home for the money you're being paid for it. Now, there's a lot of moving parts. This escrow person has to be very, very bright, and they have to, really know their stuff through great experience and training, and because they are handling your money and the biggest money you probably own when they handle your house. It's not good when you go sit down at the escrow table and there's big surprises, and you've been subjected to a surprise that you weren't expecting. Yet it happens all the time to people. And I'm going to tell you, it doesn't happen to those people I represent, because I get the paperwork a day in advance before you ever go over there and sign. And I'm going through the paperwork and I'm eliminating all surprises, unless there's one that caught everybody off by guard. Then I'm going to inform you of that and let you know if you should be paying it or not paying it, because surprises are usually unexpected charges. So you got to set eyes on it with me and my firm. We're thorough on things like that. Many moving parts in an escrow, that everything's coming together on that day that you're going in to sign. Somebody's going to get their equity and somebody's going to get a house, and those are the parties of an escrow. Then your realtor is a party to the escrow. Your lender is a party to the escrow. So I just wanted you to see that it's not an easy process being a broker and an agent to somebody that is selling or buying a house, but it's all doable and it can all happen seamlessly if you have the right experienced agent. So that's all for today. God bless you. You have a wonderful day.